Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to take care of your battery on TCL Plex. To take care of your battery, first you need to have in mind that you should not overcharge your phone. So, the safest for your phone is to keep it below 90%, but even if you need to charge it to 100%, try unplugging it as soon as it gets to the 100% so it doesn't overcharge. And you should also try not to discharge your phone below 15%. Sometimes that's impossible, but if it is possible, try plugging it in as soon as it gets to 15 or 20% of battery. Also, you should keep it at a normal temperature, so whenever you are in a hot environment, in sun or something like that, or you are using your phone too excessively, it may get really hot, and to cool it down you may need to either move it to a colder environment or to move to a shadow, or stop using your phone for a moment until it cools down itself. And also you should keep it not too cold, so when it's cold outside you may need to keep it in a pocket or something like that so it doesn't get too cold. You should also avoid contact with water, so avoid it because your battery is really fragile and any contact with water may damage it. And that's how you take care of your battery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.